Alright, let's talk about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Nothing official yet, but the rumors, they're spicy. It's not a total redesign, but it looks like DJI is fine-tuning a lot of things that matter. But since there is a lot of time left for it to be released, too much can change, and this is anyways rumors, so don't hold your breath. First up, the Pocket 4 tips the scales at around 190 grams, up from the Pocket 3. This increase is due to two main factors: a larger 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen and a bigger battery. Both these additions add heft to the design. On the usability side, the new screen should deliver 800 nits of brightness, which should make outdoor shooting much easier. Now, let's talk about comfort. DJI is tweaking the grip texture and button layout, which might not sound super exciting, but if you've ever tried filming for a long stretch, you know how important ergonomics are. The Pocket 3 saw a big leap from the Pocket 2, jumping from a 1/1.7-inch sensor to a 1-inch sensor. The Pocket 4 is rumored to keep that 1-inch CMOS sensor with an f2.0 lens, which means solid low-light performance and sharper shots. On top of that, we're talking 10-bit color, D-Log-M, HDR recording, and wait for it, 4K at 240 FPS. That's double the slow motion power of the Pocket 3. If true, it's going to be a game changer for action shots and cinematic slow-mo. A new processor might also improve workflow speeds, real-time HDR previews, and overall image processing. Autofocus is expected to get a boost with phase detection and eye tracking, which should make vlogging and action shots much smoother. And ActiveTrack 7.0 could bring even better subject tracking. Battery life supposedly bumped up to 200 minutes of recording time with faster charging. If true, that will be a huge jump. Oh, and better heat management so you won't have to worry about your camera overheating mid-shoot. And of course, stabilization is getting some love too. DJI is reportedly mixing mechanical 3-axis stabilization with improved electronic stabilization, which could make handheld footage even smoother. Now here's the catch. Price. The Pocket 4 is rumored to start at $699 with a creator combo for $799. A bit of a jump, but if these upgrades actually deliver, it could be worth it for anyone who wants a super portable, high-quality camera. As for when, the leaks point to a late 2026 or early 2027 launch following DJI's usual 3-year cycle. But until DJI makes it official, take all this with a grain of salt. So what do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make you want one, or are you sticking with what you've got? Let's chat in the comments. Peace.